I'm Joelle.
And I'm Katie.
So here at Tasty, we are constantly seeing the most delicious foods on our feeds, but we rarely get to try them ourselves.
So today we are challenging ourselves to make some viral orange chicken fries that are from Mr. Yu Chinese food in Montclair, California.
We are gonna watch a video on what's going on over there, but we don't get a recipe, and we're just gonna try our best today.
I also got some just like standard orange chicken.
Oh!
Some, you know, the OG orange chicken. Is that the OG orange chicken?
Yeah, Panda Express.
Invented it?
Loki, this is one of my favorite Panda Express foods. So good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Unreal, that's what got me.
It looks like there's a lot of pepper on that though.
Yeah, it's spicy, it looks spicy. That's a lot of sauce.
That's a lot of sauce. And they're just tossing the fries in the sauce.
Okay, you can do the tossing because I'm a little bit of a klutz.
Wait, I spill everything. Sriracha mayo.
Okay,
and it was just on a crinkle cut fry.
The cheese is pretty melty, so I think it's mozzarella. Though it was giving Parmesan vibes.
Should we get some ingredients?
We should make a grocery order.
What if we do chicken, let it rest, make sauce, and then fried chicken to immediately put into the sauce?
Yeah. Then it goes fries?
Yeah, I guess so.
Should we buy fries? Let's buy fries. Crinkle cut fries. We're getting that from the store. All right, that's gonna help me. I just needed a visual. Well, we didn't eat our fortune cookie. You need to know if this day is gonna go well.
How will we know?
Wait, you have to eat the cookie before you read it.
Oh.
Your life will be happy and peaceful. I can't get better than that.
Scallions and cheese! Ah! Katie and I deliberated for many hours on our plan for today, and we're gonna start off with prepping our chicken. Do you cut the fat off your chicken thighs, or do you just like let it rock as it?
For the most part, fat means flavor. Okay, so let's start with flour. Okay, 3 cups flour. I'm gonna write this down so we don't forget. How much salt do we think we need? I would say a fair amount. I think like tablespoon. Do you think that's crazy?
No, because when you make batter for chicken, it's not like the full tablespoon ends up
in the chicken. Are people tasting this?
Just dumped it onto the counter. And for seasoning, I like white pepper. I think white pepper belongs in every single Chinese dish ever. Let's start with a teaspoon. A teaspoon of white pepper.
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, yeah, let's
just
mix.
To make sure all our dry ingredients get together.
And I was studying some orange chicken videos. I saw some people use an egg. I think just one in the batter.
Yeah, I feel like it's a binder of sorts. Okay, and then we have water. How much should we end up going with?
Did you test it?
Okay, we're gonna go like, it's about 1 3/4 cups.
Okay. Just all right on in there.
Okay, wait, I didn't write anything down. Okay, wait, that's 3 cups and then let's wait. This is like science. Let's just try a little bit of oil.
Okay. Girl, I got no idea.
Okay,
I trust you.
Let's try it. I could do a skosh more. I know
we added 3 cups of flour, right?
Okay, so a cup.
Okay, so now we're gonna reintroduce the chicken and let it hang out in here while we make our sauce.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay. So I want the pieces to separate and then get enough batter like between each of them.
Yeah.
We're gonna let this rest for a little bit. We'll come back and work on the next scariest part of our recipe. The sauce.
We updated our diagram. We're actually gonna fry first, and then we'll make the sauce last. Right now we're heating up our oil to 350. It's actually at 357, so we'll bring it down. And you could do canola oil, vegetable oil.
Beef tallow if you're Katie.
No, I just...
She doesn't do that, I lied. Our chicken has been resting long enough, I guess.
About 30 minutes.
Long enough for me. One at a time, perhaps?
Maybe for us.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay, looking good.
Do you have like a way of knowing when something is done frying?
I think for chicken, you have to be extremely careful. If it's raw chicken,
can you guys see that?
They're smoking up like little Vikings.
They're like, help!
Oh my God.
Get me out!
Okay, we're on the last batch of chicken here. It's looking beautiful.
Pretty good.
We have a lot of extra. I've been eating just the batter while we've been standing here.
Amazing!
All right, hey! Is that gorgeous?
Fry time!
We're not making it from scratch. And they had the crinkle cut.
Yeah, cute. These are nice and thick.
I love them. What do we put these at?
10 to 12 minutes.
10 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna go put these in. Do you wanna get the stuff with the sauce?
Yeah. What's up?
Oh, it's not up yet.
How about the cute peppers? I think these look nicer.
Should we do those? Yeah, we should.
We know that the base of the orange chicken sauce is orange juice. Critical ingredient. Everything else after that, in my opinion, a little touch and go. You just kind of go. I feel like we gotta bloom the peppers first.
Yes, in some oil.
We have some crushed red pepper and like whole chilies.
Okay, 4 cloves garlic minced. How much ginger? You think like a half an inch, an inch?
Yeah, I'll just like grate a little bit off.
Oh, like maybe a teaspoon? We could do it not in inches.
I like inches. When people are telling me ginger, I'm like, I'm not gonna grade it and then measure it. I'm just gonna grade it and see what I end up
what do you
with.
feel like? Okay, well, we'll vibe that out. Here we go, oil.
Peppers.
A half a teaspoon?
I feel like full.
You think full teaspoon?
Garlic and ginger.
Yes. And we'll cook those for about 30 seconds so we can smell them in the room.
Smells good.
I'm getting the garlic, it's hitting me.
I feel like the chilies are starting to blister a little bit. Should we add orange? Oh, cooking wine. Cooking wine. Let's do 1/16 of a cup. Is that what, a tablespoon? So 1/16 of a cup is a fourth of a quarter cup, right? And so that's
too much math going on. Oh, that does smell so nice.
It's good flavor.
Yeah, I like doing vodka in my pasta sauces.
In your orange chicken?
Just in my orange chicken. Can you give me nice? Well, should we do our liquids next, right?
Yeah, let's do
orange
liquid.
juice.
Orange juice.
I think a quarter cup, just to start. We could always add more.
I think we're definitely gonna add more orange juice in here, so I think you do a quarter cup soy sauce.
To start.
Oh, maybe that's a lot, I have no idea. Whatever, it's too late, go for it.
And then maybe some sugars.
Yeah. I feel like we're like brewing a potion.
Oh, it's so orangey. This is gonna be the orangiest orange chicken. Okay, and then the next thing, should I get a little cornstarch slurry going on?
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Okay.
Okay, half a teaspoon white pepper.
I'm gonna take some water.
I feel like we can add a decent amount of cornstarch because of how thick this sauce is meant to get on everything. Okay, I'm adding 1/8 cup more soy sauce. Because I feel like it was really sweet, like too...
It was a little sweet.
This is so much more complicated than the last recipe, is all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, the
prior burger.
They had it easy.
Now. Thank you.
Okay, great idea. Let's try this.
Why don't you...
Again. It's pretty sweet.
It is quite sweet.
It's not far.
Yeah, it's not that bad. We're gonna get all of our fried ingredients ready so that once we add the slurry in, it's just like a toss situation.
Yeah. This is the moment of truth. Should we finish this off?
Yeah.
Oh,
I just mean once the...
He's like, don't leave me. Sesame?
Sure. Yeah, a little sesame oil.
Ooh, see, and then
cornstarch.
Cornstarch. The sesame oil
Smells
really
nice.
good.
Oh, it does smell really good.
You smell it? A little zest.
Oh, we're going crazy, y'all. We're going in there.
Go slow and soft.
So soft. What was our fortune? Happy and peaceful?
They toss. Okay.
Yeah.
Fries?
Fries.
You're gonna have to toss.
I feel like a flour girl. I'm like...
Yeah, it needs to be more fries than chicken. How do you gently? This is why you have to toss it so you don't ruin it. Okay. Okay,
wait,
I'm gonna just like...
Oh, God.
Step back and I'm gonna let you do it. Oh, my God. I think you gotta do the up in the air.
Oh, wait, if I toss this up in the air, it's all ending up on the floor. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh, it's like a salad. Okay.
Yum.
I like that. That's a better...
Fry salad. It's like
honestly, that's a better way to go. I would say at home, do the salad toss.
Salad toss. Okay, I kind of don't want to cook it.
Let's just turn the heat off.
Heat's off.
Should we get something to like pour this into so we get that like lusciously beautiful?
Yeah, let's pour and then we should top with some sriracha mayo that we should have made earlier, but
and
that's okay.
scallions, we gotta get scallions.
Scallions and cheese! Ah! It's like one giant mass. Whoa.
Oh, she's so pretty.
She made a little bit of a mess, but it's okay.
That's great. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Ooh, scallions.
Hey! She's gorgeous. Congrats.
We did it.
Now we have to eat.
Hopefully.
Yeah, let's taste it.
Hopefully it tastes good.
Hey, cheers to our hard work.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
It's spicy, tangy, and salty. I kind of think we crushed the sauce.
This is good.
If I can be nitpicky,
Yes.
my one thing is that the breading's falling off the chicken a little bit. I think just as we tossed it in the sauce,
It got.
a little squishy, started falling off.
Other than the batter falling off the chicken, I would be very happy and impressed.
Honestly, same. I would serve this to people.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the key. If you give it to another human being.
I would not be ashamed to bring people over if I had this.
High five. I'm really proud of us.
If you see something on your For You page that you would like to see us attempt to make, let us know. Drop a link, share in the comments, and we would love your delicious ideas because this was a lot of fun.
And you can find this recipe on tasty.co because we're gonna publish it. I think it's good enough. It's good enough.
For better or worse.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.